You have less time now than you've ever had before in your entire life until you're dead, and then you have no more time. So what does that make you think of when you hear something like that? That's a pretty objective philosophy. And with each passing day, you've got even less time now than you've ever had in your whole life. So what I personally think of when I hear that is get off your ass and do whatever it is that you want to do without waiting. Kill procrastination, stop being a laggard, that kind of a thing. So what does it make you think of? What are some things maybe that you've been putting off that you think you've got all the time in the world for? And more importantly, does it influence you to want to start taking consistent, relevant action and doing whatever it takes to bring those things to fruition? Does it or does it not? If you dig this kind of stuff, I'm full of it. Stuff. TomBerkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, TomBerkenmeyer.com. So some common things that people put off until they hear something like that is going to be maybe they've always wanted to start their own business. Maybe they've always wanted to take better care of their health. Maybe there's some kind of an important project that they just see these hurdles. And maybe after hearing a philosophy like that, it's like, okay, time to figure out the hurdles or the walls or whatever it is that's in the way, and then go after it. Now, I'm not naive. I know that no matter what, probably about 98% of the population is still going to procrastinate, and it doesn't matter what they say. They will live and die underneath the thumbs of others that can control and manipulate them, and they'll never stop no matter what they hear. But there's a small percentile of the population that just needs to hear a good philosophy like that, and it'll make a difference. So that's who this is for, the minority of you out there. And that's all I've got for you this morning. Take care. Bye for now. Looking forward to any comments